What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a mama and them, because we are Liddy over here. And without further ado, y'all, I know y'all been waiting, and I appreciate y'all patience. So I'm going to be announcing the winner of the mini Coach tote bag. So the winner of this giveaway, because y'all know we gonna have future giveaways in the future. Y'all just know. Come on now. Y'all been here long enough to know how we gets down over here. So yes, the winner of the mini Coach tote dupe bag is Edith FG. Our family member Edith FG was goody. So you have to make sure you send your information to this email. I'm gonna have it up here. Send me your mailing information. I would definitely try to get it shipped off at least by next week. It's currently spring break, so I'm just trying to take a breather from school and just relax my mind before the main break, which is what is that, summer break, which I can't wait. I'm trying to run across the finish line for this semester. But yes, I would definitely try to have your item shipped off by next week. And to add some more spice into the remix, I figure why not just give both of the bags away? Just why not? So yes, I'm picking two people. We have Edith FG, and then our other family member that's going to win the other bag. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. Kenyana Johnson. Am I pronouncing that right? If I'm not, I'm so sorry. But yes, Kenyana Johnson, you are the winner of the second bag, which is the other twinning Coach mini tote bag. Yeah, y'all, both our family members won. So y'all remember to email your mailing information to this email address up in here. And I would definitely try to get everything shipped off by next week. Just work with your girl a little bit, but y'all know me, I'm a woman of my word. So once again, Edith FG, and once again our other family member, Kenyana Johnson, what's happening? What's up? So yes, y'all, once again, thank you for supporting your girl through this journey. I see that our channel is growing, and I'm still astonished because I never even would have thought in a million years. But y'all, I really appreciate the support. Y'all put down in the comments what type of videos y'all want to see. I know y'all like the nail videos, the dupe videos, unboxings and stuff, but do y'all want more story times? Because I definitely got something to vote, because y'all know your girl pre-recorded stuff before the semester comes, because I wanted to be prepared. I didn't want to be tardy for the party. I wanted to be prepared. So yeah, I have stuff pre-recorded, but along the pre-recorded stuff, I want to talk about what y'all want to talk about. Do y'all want to see more nail tutorials? If so, what type of tutorials? Even if it's something I've already did a video on before, if you want it more in detail, just scroll through the videos. If y'all want to see other stuff, I don't know, y'all let me know, because I don't want to bore y'all or nothing like that. So y'all, please let me know what type of videos y'all would like to see. I know Mama Rare, she's dying. She's dying to make an appearance. If y'all want to see a video with me and Mama Rare, I don't know, story times. Y'all want to go live sometimes. If I do go live, it would definitely have to be like on the weekends or on my off days, because I get off of work pretty late. And yeah, so if y'all want to go live sometimes, I don't know, y'all want to have discussions, group discussions. Your girl haven't been reading no books lately, unless it's like required material for my class. I hate reading, but I don't know if y'all want me to come on here and do movie reviews, show reviews. I don't know what y'all watching, movies, shows. I don't know, give me some ideas of what to binge watch or whatever. Yeah, I don't know, y'all, but yes, get down in the comments, please. Just let me know what y'all want your girl to talk about, please. Let me stop. But yeah, y'all, just get down in the comments, let me know what y'all want to see, and I'm gonna bring that fire. For real. But once again, congratulations to both of the family members, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.